Trigonometry Part 12.
Hi, hello everyone. For this session we will discuss new concept, sum and product of transformations. So here you know the sin of a plus b and sin of a minus b and cos of a plus b, cos of a minus b formulas. Now we have to add sin of a plus b and sin of a minus b. So sum of these two formulas so changes into product of trigonometric ratios. So see here, first sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b. So you know that sin of a plus b formula. So what is that formula? Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. This is sin of a plus b formula and sin of a minus b formula. So here that is sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. So clearly minus cos a sin b plus cos a sin b get cancelled. So clearly this is sin a cos b plus sin a cos b. So this is equals to what? 2 sin a cos b. So sum of two trigonometric ratios transform into product of two trigonometric ratios. Okay. So this is the first formula. And second one, sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b. So here what you get? So first we have to write sin of a plus b formula. Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. So minus of sin of a minus b formula. Sin a cos b, next minus cos a sin b. So clearly minus sin a cos b plus sin a cos b get cancelled. Cos a sin b minus into minus plus cos a sin b. So this is 2 cos a sin b. So this is what sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b formula is 2 cos a sin b. So see the third one, cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. So here we have to apply cos of a plus b formula. So what is that formula? Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b plus cos of a minus b formula. Cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. So plus sin a sin b minus sin a sin b get cancelled. You will get 2 cos a cos b. So therefore cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b formula is what? 2 cos a cos b. So here next fourth one, cos of a plus b minus cos of a minus b. See here what is cos of a plus b formula? Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. And cos of a minus b formula, cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. So minus cos a cos b plus cos a cos b get cancelled. You will get minus sin a sin b minus sin a sin b. So minus 2 sin a sin b. So this is what cos of a plus b minus cos of a minus b formula. Okay. So these are sum and product transformations formulas. Okay. So see the next one, sin c plus sin d formula. Okay. See here this is what? 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Okay. See here proof. So consider RHS. So what is RHS? 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. So you have to apply previous formula. So what is that? 2 sin A cos B formula. So what is that formula? Sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B. Okay. So clear, this is what? Sin of, we have to add these two, C plus C. You will get 2C plus D minus D get cancelled. So 2C by 2. Next plus. So subtract these two. So here C minus C get cancelled. D minus of minus D. 2D. So 2D by 2. So here this is what? Sin C plus sin D. So therefore sin C plus sin D can be written as 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. This is the first formula. Next, similarly, second one. So I am writing directly sin C minus sin D. If plus is there, you will get first term is sin, second term is cos. Okay. Here minus is there. So clearly first term is cos, second term is sin. So here that is 2 cos C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. Next, third one, cos C plus cos D. If cos terms are there, then you will get either 2 cos or 2 sin. So depending on sin. If plus is there, we have to write 2 terms are cos. If minus is there, we have to write 2 terms are sin. So clear, here plus is there. So we have to write 2 terms are cos. 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. Okay. So next, fourth formula, cos C minus cos D. So clear, that is minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. So these are the 4 formulas. Okay. So now we will discuss few 7 marks problems. See the first one. If none of A, B, A plus B is an integral multiple of pi. Okay. See here, because of this is 1, A equals to pi, cos pi, and this is cos pi, and this one cos 2 pi. 1 minus 1 plus 1 cos 2 pi value minus 1. So clearly we will get denominator is 0. So that's why here AB, A plus B is not an integral multiple of pi. Okay. So here then prove that this value is tan A by 2 cot B by 2. So consider the LHS first. See the solution. 1 minus cos A plus cos B minus cos of A plus B. So divide by 1 plus cos A minus cos B minus cos of A plus B. So here we have to write first and last term first. That is 1 minus cos of A plus B. And in both terms minus is common. You will get cos A minus cos B. So divide by, again we have to write first and last term, 1 minus cos of A plus B in plus remaining cos A minus cos B. Now you know that 1 minus cos theta formula. See here, 1 minus cos theta formula is 2 sin square theta by 2. Next one, cos C minus cos D formula. You will get minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. So we have to apply these two formulas here. So it in the form of 1 minus cos theta. So how to write 2 sin square theta by 2. So 2 sin square A plus B by 2 minus cos C minus cos D minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. So already here we have minus. So minus into minus plus. So plus 2 sin A plus B by 2 sin A minus B by 2. So divide by, so clearly in between plus is there, so remaining asterisk, that is 2 sin square a plus b by 2 minus 2 sin a plus b by 2 sin a minus b by 2. So clearly in both terms 2 sin a plus b by 2 is common. So here this is 2 sin a plus b by 2 is common. So what you get here, sin a plus b by 2 plus sin a minus b by 2. So right here sin a plus b by 2 plus sin a minus b by 2. So in denominator again 2 sin a plus b by 2 is common in both terms. See here 2 sin a plus b by 2 is common. So what you get, sin of a plus b by 2 minus sin of a minus b by 2. See here 2 sin a plus b by 2, 2 sin a plus b by 2 get cancelled. So it in the form of sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b. So clear that is 2 sin a cos b. So this is equals to 2 sin a by 2 cos b by 2. In denominator minus is there in between. So clearly first we have to write cos term, after that sin term. That is 2 cos a by 2 sin b by 2. So 2 get cancelled. Sin by cos, that is tan a by 2, and cos by sin, that is cot b by 2. So this is RHS. So see the next one. Suppose alpha minus beta is not an odd multiple of pi by 2. So because of cos 90 is 0, if denominator is 0 then it is undefined. So that's why alpha minus beta is not equals to odd multiple of pi by 2. And m is a non-zero real number. Okay. So clearly m is not equals to minus 1. So because of if denominator is 0 then it is undefined. So and this condition is given, then prove that this. Okay. So see the solution. Given sin of alpha plus beta by cos of alpha minus beta is equal to 1 minus m by 1 plus m. Now here you need to apply C and D rule. That is what? Compound endo and divide endo rule. Apply C and D rule. That is what? Numerator plus denominator by numerator minus denominator. So clear that is sin of alpha plus beta plus cos of alpha minus beta. So divide by sin of alpha plus beta minus cos of alpha minus beta. So here also numerator plus denominator by numerator minus denominator. So clear that is 1 minus m plus 1 plus m divided by 1 minus m minus of 1 plus m. So minus m plus m get cancelled, plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. Now we have sin C plus sin D formulas or cos C plus cos D formulas. So but here one term is sin and another term is cos. So for that we have to change this cos term into sin. Otherwise this sin term into cos. Okay. So here this can be written as sin of alpha plus beta. How to write cos theta? See here cos theta write as sin of 90 minus theta. So apply here plus sin of 90 minus alpha minus beta divided by sin of alpha plus beta minus sin of 90 minus alpha minus beta. So this is equals to 2 by minus m minus 2m. So 2 get cancelled. Now it in the form of sin C plus sin D. See here, sin C plus sin D formula. That is 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. Next one, denominator sin C minus sin D formula. So what is that? 2 cos C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. So we have to apply these two formulas here. Okay. See here, this is C and this is D. Apply this formula. 2 sin C plus D. So add these two. C plus D, you have to add these two, alpha plus beta plus this one. See here, 2 sin alpha plus beta plus 90 minus alpha minus beta. So divide by, see here, minus into minus plus beta, divide by 2, okay, into cos C minus D. So subtract these two. See here, alpha plus beta minus of 90 minus alpha minus beta. So divide by 2. And again it is divided by sin C minus sin D formula. First term is cos and second term is sin. See here, 2 cos alpha plus beta plus 90 minus alpha plus beta by 2. Next one, sin alpha plus beta minus 90 minus of alpha plus beta, divided by 2 is equals to what? Minus 1 by m. So 2 get cancelled. Now see here, plus alpha minus alpha get cancelled. Here plus beta, here minus beta get cancelled. Next here, plus alpha minus alpha. So plus beta minus beta get cancelled. Okay. Now this can be written as sin of beta plus beta, 2 beta by 2, that is beta, plus 90 by 2, 45. Sin of 45 plus beta. And second one, cos of alpha plus alpha, 2 alpha by 2 is alpha, minus 90 by 2, 45. So divide by, and this one, cos of beta plus beta, 2 beta by 2, that is simply beta plus 45. And this one, alpha plus alpha, 2 alpha, so sin of alpha minus 45 is equal to minus 1 by m. Okay. Now this can be written as sin by cos, that is tan of 45 plus beta. So divide this. So cos by sin can be written as 1 by tan. So that is tan of alpha minus 45 is equal to minus 1 by m. Now cross multiplication. See here what you get, tan of 45 plus beta into m, or m into tan 45 plus beta is equal to minus of tan of alpha minus 45. So how to write this? Tan of 45 minus alpha. So clearly what you proved, tan of 45 minus alpha is equal to m into tan 45 plus beta. So this is the required answer. So for next session we will discuss more problems.